Hey guys, I just want to go ahead and give you a good picture of what the box looks like. Again, this is the Digibox D6 Max. It's an upgrade. Here's some of the core features. I actually like this type of box. It reminds me of boxes of old. Very solid. It's not too big, but it looks really nice. So the core benefits or the core features. Um, Basically, you have 8K Ultra HD playback, 7-day time shift support. That means you can watch things up to 7 days before. You don't have to pay for that. It all comes standard in the box, giving you total control over everything on how you want to watch. It is powered by Android 12 and fueled by 4 GB DDR plus 64 gigabytes of ROM, and it makes this navigates the Air Mouse, and it has a smart voice remote, and it also has the kids lock because it has some adult on it. But here's some of the features right there. So as you can see, Ultra HD, 7-day playback, 168 hours of time shifting. You got 1,000 megabits per second Ethernet port, 5.4 Bluetooth Wi-Fi 6, USB port times 4. You got the Air Mouse. You got the gigabytes. You got the over-the-air updates, child lock, smart voice remote control, and the Wi-Fi is 2T2R, and it's Android 12. So it's really built for speed, and man, does it really work very well. So the gigabit Ethernet and premium TV box, why does it matter? You get 4K streaming with the regular scenario, possible buffering, 1,000 megabits, smooth playback. Cloud gaming latency, if you're doing any gaming, 100, I think it's an hour, 7 minutes. So it really makes it a big difference when you're multitasking and using the box. So let me keep on going down. Dual band Wi-Fi 6, which is really good. Look at that right there. Lightning speed, 5.4 Android TV box, faster, steadier with all your devices. Quad core Android TV box. Look at that. So this thing has it's a lot of different benefits. And so I just wanted to show you what it looked like and also give you an idea of what you're going to get if you decide to buy this. I'm sorry, I went too fast. So you can customize the remote keys however you like, and it's backlit, which is really, really awesome. Really, it's backlit 100%. So I'm going to go ahead and shift to the video. And if you guys have any questions afterwards, don't hesitate to reach out. Take care. Hi, everyone. My name is Jeff, and I am from the Stream Machines YouTube channel, where we take the difficult things of streaming and help you one video at a time. Today, we're going to take a short look at the Digibox D6 Max from Digibox overseas. And this box definitely looks like it does deliver. So let's jump right into the video. So again, if this is your first time on our YouTube channel, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, and maybe subscribe to the channel. Also, if you find this valuable, just share this video with some people that you care about. Now, the Digibox is I wouldn't say just like, it's kind of around, it's the same type of delivery or device like the VC that you see a lot of, maybe the Super Box that you see a lot of, EV Pad. There's a few of them out there that deliver. Now, as you see on this homepage, there are several different applications that you can use that I've put on the homepage. I'll go over that in a moment. One of the things I like about this is it's very simplistic. It's very simple. As I go up to the top, here's some things where you can contact us, the browser. You can download an internet speed test. It's very fast. It definitely has a gigabit of LAN, so it runs very, very fast. I'm going to do a really quick speed test so you can see the speed and what it does. It's going to be definitely over 100 there. And that's kind of what you want, because the 100 is the standard. And as it goes up, it does plenty. That is plenty of speed. Maybe you don't have that, and that's fine. But again, if you do decide to upgrade or future-proof your box and get better speed, just know that this box can definitely handle it. As we continue to go, there is a help center. This is really, really cool. I've never seen this before. That means if you have a playback problem, an internet problem, online help, Catan problem, everything is here. They have a help center. As we go over, you can start an app that you want. Set quick launch if you want. Bluetooth. You can clean the memory here. I know those things don't matter, but they matter to a person that understands that you need to always clean your device, and that's really, really cool. Now, you'll notice every 30 seconds, the wallpapers change. As I go over to settings, you'll see the different wallpapers here, and you can put it on manual or auto. If you put it on auto, it's already on every 60 seconds. One of these wallpapers are going to change to. And the cool thing about it is you can add your own picture or your wallpapers. So every 30 seconds, every 60 seconds, it is going to change. I'm going to put this back on auto, and hopefully as I go through, you see how it just changed to the flat blue here. So those are the settings there. As we go into the App Store, you'll see that this is Cat Live. That is the live TV. Cat TV Plus, that's live plus on-demand stuff. JCat VOD, I found out that's more of a Japanese or an Asian type of content. So for those that need that content, that is definitely there. One of the things as we go into the diversity of the device with the languages and the cultures, they have every subtitle you need. So if you're watching some South Korean dramas, the subtitles will definitely be there. And Cat Tele is definitely for Latino, Spanish, Portuguese from Brazil. And of course, I don't need to tell you what Cat Hot is. Thank goodness they definitely have a parental code, because that thing definitely comes in hot. As I open up the App Store, you're going to see there's not a lot here. And I think that's on purpose. You have the App Store here that they have, and I'm going to open it up really quick. And you can see that these are the ones that are here. Just standard overseas type of device. Even the Google Play Store that I connected, it doesn't feel like the full Google Play Store, but it gives you a chance to side load if you like to. And that's a really good thing. Now let's get into some things that people want to know, the memory and all that. So I'm going to go over here all the way over to more settings. And then we're going to go to settings here, and then we're going to get into, let's see, device preferences, and then we'll go to about. As you see about, I think there were some tutorials up there that disappeared. I don't know what happened. There's the device name. You have the model. You have it's Android 12, and let's see if it lets me do. It'll let you. The good thing is, most of these devices will not allow you to be a developer, but you'll notice that this one did by pressing the OK button. And you can see that developer options is there, which I won't spend a lot of time with that, but I'll do a video on that. And that just opens up your device, making it quicker, making it better. It has a built-in Chromecast built in. It has Google Assistant. The Bluetooth or the small remote lights up. It's backlit. It's very simplistic and easy and fits all the way in your hand. So these are the things that are definitely available from the display and sound. Let's look at the storage. The internal storage is actually 64 gigabytes of ROM on this device. After everything that I have installed, I have 59 gigabytes. That is plenty of memory to do more than enough here. All right. So I wanted to just show you the basics of this device. It does open to TV. It does open to the other entertainment. And I can't show that on YouTube, but one of the things we can show at the end of the video is I'll give you guys a chance to connect off of the YouTube platform and see what this thing can do. I think it's very, very good. I have used it. It is yet to buffer, and it is yet to stutter, and it's very, very easy, very easy. So as you can see, they kept it very, very simplistic. If you want to uninstall an app, you can do that. If you want to reset, if you need to update, there's even a file manager. Okay, you can adjust the screen here. So all your settings are right on the page. Right on the page. So I wanted to go ahead and make this really quick video of the Digibox. I mean, you can only show so much on the YouTube channel. So I'm going to put in the description where you can get a link so you can see the full video that's not going to be able to be shown on YouTube, but we will go through and show you the different applications, what they look like, how to side load and all that good stuff. Now, even at the end of each video, if you're interested in getting one of these or have an interest, they have reached out to make or ask if I wanted to have an affiliate link so you can get it at a very good price. I like it so far, so let's go into the, I'm going to close out this video. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is the Digibox D6 Max, and I will make sure if you go into the description of this video, there'll be some instructions on how to get the link for the full length video. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Let's get to